Imagine a world where watching videos, something most people do daily, could pad your wallet. This isn't a science fiction tale, it's a reality. To the intriguing world of earning money by watching videos, the process is simple. Step 1, grab your phone. Step 2, watch some videos. Step 3, collect your earnings. You're already watching videos every why not get paid for it. If you found this concept interesting, do like this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content like this. Your support will help us continue to bring fascinating topics your way. This all happens on a website called gg2u.org. It's crucial to stay patient and watch this entire video to understand how to use the website effectively and to its full potential. Jumping the gun and heading to the website without all the information could lead to potential earnings left on the table. Now, gg2u.org offers several ways to earn money. You can earn rewards for taking surveys, playing games, and of course, watching videos. The beauty to maximize your earnings on gg2u.org, here are some tips and tricks. First, be consistent and patient. Earning significant amounts may take time, but it's worth the effort. Second, try all the earning methods. Don't limit yourself to just watching videos. Explore surveys and games for more opportunities. Lastly, don't forget to refer friends. The more people you refer, the more you earn. With these tips, you can make the most out of gg2u.org.